Horses for the 12 Pasay City Mayor Emmy Calixto Rubiano Cup. Diamond Power gets away immediately exalted. Moving up, Black Maria outside. High Octane, one while singing a new song. Then followed by Houdini and Robotic Lace, Dirty Trader. Now we have Diamond Power, the leader by a neck. Aria outside. Second is up. Exalted third. In position, Sweet Andre, High Octane, singing a new song. Houdini and Robotic Lace. On the backstretch, it's still Diamond Power goes on by about 2.5 lengths. Blackjack still in second, and in third by a gap of 3 lengths is Exalted. Moving up on the outside, Sweep Andre, High Octane, sing a new song, Houdini and Robotic Leia. And it's still Diamond Power still dictating turns by a length and a half. Blackjack now trying to get closer in second, together with Exalted in third. Sweep Andre in fourth, High Octane. Diamond Power, Blackjack now are the outside, fighting it out for the lead. Exalted in third, Sweep Andre, High Octane sing a new song, also coming closer in sixth position. Blackjack, Diamond Power is running by the leg. Exalted still in third. High Octane now are the outside, together with Sweep Andre. With Blackjack this time by about 2.5 lengths. Exalted, High Octane now the outside. Houdini is running by the and it's still Blackjack by about 2.5 lengths. High Octane now are the outside second, and it's still Blackjack. High Octane giving the final burst of energy. Blackjack, High Octane, but it's still Blackjack, and finally Blackjack. Then comes High Octane, Houdini, sing a new song, Sweep Andre.